Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acquisition. 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 Acquisition is a noun that refers to the act of acquiring or obtaining something, often with effort or resources. It can involve purchasing, assimilating, or gaining control over assets, companies, or knowledge. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The merger between the two tech giants was a significant acquisition deal in the industry. Why acquisition is used in example number 1. Acquisition signifies a merger or takeover. Example number 2. The acquisition of new technology has reshaped modern military capabilities. Why acquisition is used in example number 2. Acquisition is used in strategic contexts, including the military. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.